Hello everyone, a very good morning, and today we are going to the gym finally after so long. I have been working out at the park, as you guys know. I have been posting consistently on my YouTube about um, how it's going out, right? I have been posting about going to the park, going for morning walk and all those stuff. And yesterday I thought like it's too much now, I have to join it, because I wanted to take a membership for 12 months and it was quite expensive to take membership per month. And if I take membership for a year, it's way cheaper, comparatively cheaper than monthly membership. Because if we take a yearly membership, it's cost around 12 to 13 or maximum 14k, even in the premium gyms like Cult. But if we take the monthly membership, it will cost 3,500 in other gyms. But if you want in premium gyms like Cult, it's 4,500 per month. So it's quite expensive for us, right? So I decided, I was thinking that I will get a internship in a gym and I will also work out there. But I again thought that I should focus on the course, because it's advanced certified personal trainer course and I have to study a lot. Besides what's taught in the class, I have to also go beyond the textbook and do thorough research about the topics, study well, because I have to teach clients from diverse backgrounds with different kinds of diseases, and yeah, I want to excel at it. So I decided first I will complete the course and I will join. And yes, I joined the gym yesterday and I started workout from yesterday itself. It's just nearby only. And after working out so long, it was fun, but it was quite hard to, and it was painful. I was having lots of pain on my muscle. And finally, I'm so glad that I can be consistent now. And this is the field where I always love to work. Fitness is something that I always admire, love, where my passion lies. So I'm going to work in this field. Yeah, I packed my shoes here, like I'm in my shorts. And on the way to the gym, there is a Cult here, but I did not join the Cult because they charge 4,500 per month and it's expensive, and I took membership for 3 months. The name of that fitness center is Silhouette or something. Maybe my pronunciation is wrong, but yeah, that's how it goes. So guys, finally we are done with the workout. I'm so tired. I came here by 6 and it's now 8:05. See this white. I'm all sweaty. Right now it's only been 2 days since I joined the gym, so I'm doing whole body exercise. Like I am training all the muscles because I don't want to focus on single muscle right now. I'm in the lift right now, and yeah, I have 25-gram milkshake from yoga bar, so I'm going to take that. So tired, guys.